What up, H-Town? It's your boy Jasagia, the aka J Squally, Jack of all trades, double J's, auto mechanic. So right now I'm working on a 2004 Nissan Xterra, and it's a starter. So I already got the old one out, got all of my dirtiness that I have over here, the gloves, and I'm sorry I didn't get to do this while I was watching. My phone was charging, but as you see up here, the battery is disconnected. Make sure that happens. And cause I'm about to, I already got the new one connected. Uh, so you go up into here and show you what I did. So you see. All right, so here's the starter right here. You have two bolts. You have a bolt right here, which is I mean that was a 15, between 13 and 15 of a head right there, and then right there is the other one. And then I took this piece off right here. I don't want to touch it because my hands, I don't got the gloves on right now, but this here connector is the cable cord, the electrical connector. And there's a 13 head, a 13 millimeter nuts. Let's see. On here that you have to take off right up in there. And then also, you see that black line, that black cable right there that goes up there? Comes around here, and it's the connector right there. That has to come undone, and it goes around, and that bad boy just drops right out through this little section right here. Nose first, just comes straight down, and then put it back in. You just fish that cable right back over that, and then reconnect, and put your cable, put your bolts in, and I'm gonna show you something real quick. So that's ready. Right here. So I had to use the swivel right here to get that top bolt out. It was hard. I used the swivel, and like I say, okay, it was 14s. 14 for the bolts that hold the starter in, which is one right here, and one was on the other side right there. That held the starter in. The bolts for the electrical connector was a 13, which is right there. And this is the cable I was talking about right here. I gotta go up on the back over the firewall and connect. And there you have it. The old one's out and the new one's in. Just hook the battery back up. I think that was a 13. That's a 13. All right. Let's set this up here. There we go. Cranks up. Find out shortly here. Keys is somewhere. Where are the keys? Gotta find a key. Okay, I guess the customer has the key, so we go on him.
I saw you was recording. That's why.
It still is.
Oh.
I wanted to crank it. I have to get the keys for the customer and see if it cranks while they're watching and see. There we go, the victory. Oh, then maybe the battery. Oh, there you go. Pump it on. Go ahead, next quality. We got it cranked up. On the fly. Go. That's what it is. Got a little starter up right here. New one in. Vehicle level 1. And